Hi, my name's Chief Mike Stadler. I'm Fire Chief at Donaldson Center Fire Department in SC-TAC, South Carolina Technology and Aviation Center in Greenville, South Carolina. We are a relatively small fire department that's geared 100% toward industry and aircraft. We have an 8,000-foot runway surrounded by about 100 different industrial companies, and our whole operation is geared and back toward industry and aircraft. We have a number of Fortune 500 companies, and as well as Lockheed Martin and Stevens Aviation, and we provide protection for all of those agencies. We also provide training of all kinds of industrial type training and hazmat training, fire training, and aircraft training to many of the companies on SC-TAC. This vehicle, we're really pleased to get this vehicle. It's replacing another E-ONE Titan 3000 that's a little over 26 years old. The biggest change is technology. 26 years ago, we didn't have all the technology that we have now. So this truck is chock full of technology, and we're all having to learn it just like everybody else. Drop down, pull out drop down tray, which makes it easier for putting up equipment, getting down it. We ask for a slide out tray for ease of removing equipment, ease of storage. This was a great feature. This is for your dry powder unit. It's a great feature because the way it's been designed, it allows for a one-man operation to replace the cylinder, the nitrogen cylinder. When you have to replace the nitrogen cylinder, basically all you do is remove the regulator, put the cap on the cylinder, put the hook on it, and you raise it a fraction of an inch, it pulls it up off the floor. When you pull this lever down, it kicks the base of the cylinder out, and then you just take the control right here and it lowers it down on like a crane. It lowers it down to the ground, you pull it out, roll it out of the way, put a new cylinder back in place, hook it up, raise it back up, and slip it back in, and then you push it back out. Completely one-man operation, and that's considerably easier than it used to be. So I'm really pleased about this. The pump panel, very easy to operate. Again, the electronics are something relatively new in the last 10-15 years. This truck has it, our old truck did not. Around the truck you've got other equipment compartments. We do carry a considerable amount of equipment on the truck because we also respond not just to airport incidents, but we respond to industrial incidents. And this has the water and foam capability to handle many industrial type fires. So we're very pleased with this truck. We can't wait to get it in the house. We started a little over a year ago. We got invited down to the plant site to look at some of the latest technology in crash trucks, and then we came back down for a pre-build conference, and we added some things, took away some things, and E-ONE was real good with giving us exactly what we wanted. It's got a lot of plus features that we really like, and we're really looking forward to getting this truck back on the base.